How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. So today I wanted to do a bit of an updated, very brief review just to give a quick rating on NordVPN. It's recently been updated, and as you can tell, the user interface is a little bit different, so I'll go ahead and talk about that. But before we begin, if you guys are interested in NordVPN, if you'd like to learn a little bit more about the privacy policy, speed, streaming, and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features, you'll find a full review down below. And again, the pricing and discount links will be down below as well if you'd like to jump straight to that. So NordVPN has over 5,400 servers in 59 countries. Previously, it had 60 countries, but due to India's new, where they require VPNs to store user data for up to 5 years, NordVPN pulled out of India, which is a great move. Of course, NordVPN has a strict no-logs policy, and they intend to stick by that, which is why they removed their servers from India. So it's not such a bad thing that they removed their servers from India. They could add virtual servers later, but we'll see what happens with that. As of now, we have no servers in India. So if that's a deal breaker for you, then yeah, I guess NordVPN is not for you. But you do have plenty of other regions, of course, and you have all these specialty servers. As you can tell, the user interface will allow you to drop down the list or just, pack it up here and just keep it right here. And one thing that I may not exactly appreciate, I guess, about NordVPN is previously you were actually able to list all the servers one by one, and now you can't really change the servers. So let's say I connect to the Atlanta server. If I want to stick to Atlanta, but I just want to, let's say, change to another server, I guess it's not that much of a big deal, honestly. All you need to do is just refresh, and you'll notice I'll have a new server selected for Atlanta. I'm still connected to Atlanta, as you can tell right here, but it just changes up the server. So 8193, all I have to do is just refresh. 8206, still connected to Atlanta. And this can be useful if, let's say, you connect to a specific server and you're still unable to access a streaming service. Then it may just mean that the IP address that you're using or the server itself has been blocked by the streaming service. And what you want to do is, instead of connecting to a different location, all you have to do is just refresh and you'll pick up a new IP address, and 9 times out of 10 you should be good to go. As far as extra features here and there, you've got plenty. So you've got 5 types of specialty servers, as you can tell here. The new user interface for Windows finally gave us dark mode. Previously, we only had light mode, which admittedly was a little bit annoying to the eyes, depending on your screen's brightness and whatnot. Mine tends to be a little bit brighter than usual so that I can see the colors. But, dark mode is now available, and that is definitely a very much appreciated feature because previously it was just available on Mac. And as you can tell, the user interface looks a little bit better, a little bit cleaner, very nice to the eyes. And as far as features, they're pretty much the same, but they're a little bit easier to use now, more intuitive. You have more custom DNS slots. And let's go back here. You still have your kill switch, your app kill switch. You have your split tunneling. And again, I think it's just more intuitive to use right now. I really do like these changes. And dark web monitor has been moved right here so that it's easier to navigate to. You've got MeshNet and you've got threat protection and the servers. And overall, NordVPN shapes up to be one of the most well-rounded VPNs in the industry. I think one caveat I would think about is the speed test feature. It would be really cool if they added the speed test feature. ExpressVPN and Surfshark have that, so I don't see why NordVPN, which is a top competitor, shouldn't have that. I think if they do add that, it will kind of save us the time of having to manually test the speed of these servers on our own. But with the speed test feature, it'll just show you the best servers available in terms of latency, up and down speed. A bit of a nitpick, admittedly, but it would be a really cool feature to see. It will make NordVPN to be as well-rounded as it can be. I mean, threat protection and MeshNet and dark web monitor, all of these are just extra features. You don't usually see features like that in VPNs, but to see NordVPN giving you a bit of a mini antivirus and MeshNet, which will allow you to remotely access selected devices through the encrypted connection of NordVPN. It's a very useful feature. Dark web monitor, keeping an eye out for leaked data linked to your email address, passwords, contacts, or any other personal details, and all the other features such as specialty servers, a bunch of these security features that you see right here, custom DNS, app kill switch, split tunneling, so on and so forth. Honestly, NordVPN is very well worth your money, unless you're looking for many more countries. You know, ExpressVPN, for example, has 94 countries. Surfshark has 99 countries. But, you know, with NordVPN, if 59 countries are enough for you, then NordVPN, I think, shapes up to be arguably the best VPN in the industry, thanks to all the features available and the very reasonably priced plans. So if you guys are interested in NordVPN, you'll find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below if you'd like to jump straight to that. And of course, you'll find the full review if you'd like to learn more about the privacy policy, speed streaming and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features. And of course, NordVPN covers all the plans with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if for whatever reason you're not satisfied, you can simply get yourself the refund. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.